I never thought I'd be a welder. I thought I would be a scientist or an artist, and I guess I combined the two. And when I moved back here, I needed a job right away, and I was either going to go to school here for surgical technology or welding. And since my dad has his own business as a diesel mechanic, I asked him if I could weld, if he could show me, and he said sure. And after I tried it that first day, I thought, well, this is fun. I think I could do this. So I decided to enroll in the boot camp program and give it a shot and just see what happened. And I lucked out. It's something that I love to do, and I've made a career out of it. The Moraine Park boot camp changed my life in that I was able to get a fresh start back here in my hometown after I moved back here with my son, and I needed a job right away. And I thought about going to the tech to find the different programs, and I came across the welding program, but then I saw the boot camp in the reporter, so I decided to apply to that instead. Before the boot camp, I was a stay-at-home mom and college student. I feel the skills and knowledge that I gained from the boot camp are priceless because they help me through my job and my everyday life as well, because I've learned to be more patient, and I've learned to, instead of get frustrated, to get determined and basically just push myself harder. My favorite thing about the boot camps at Moraine Park were taking classes with my instructor Andy. I think he's great. He's funny and extremely knowledgeable, and he's a very good mentor as well. Since I graduated from the boot camp, I did an internship at Apache Stainless, and through that internship I was hired, and I've been working there for the last 2.5 years, and through those 2.5 years I earned significant raises to the point where I was able to save up and buy my own house and take care of my son as well. The advice I would give to someone who is thinking about applying at Moraine Park would be to try it out, and there's really nothing to lose. It's low risk, and it's tuition free, and you can gain new skills and knowledge and new mentors